You can use a strong magnet to stick this bunny on any metal surface, no glue required. For this project, you need a wood clothespin, white acrylic paint, a paintbrush, something to cover your work surface such as waxed paper, googly eyes, a bead, strong craft glue such as super glue or E6000, a strong magnet, black embroidery floss, and ribbon or yarn. Mod Podge is optional. Start by painting all of the wood on your clothespin with the white paint. I always do a base coat, let it dry, and then do a second coat for even coverage. When it's completely dry, you can add a sealer such as Mod Podge if you would like. Cut a piece of embroidery floss long enough so that it sticks out at least a ½ inch on each side of the bead. Thread the floss through the bead. And add some glue at the hole on each end to hold the floss in place. Use a generous amount of glue right on the hinge of the clothespin. Stick the bead in and let it set. Now separate the embroidery floss so that you have several whiskers on each side of the bead. Trim the whiskers if necessary. Next, add some glue for the eyes and set them in place. Last, make a tiny bow out of yarn or ribbon. Trim the ends and glue the bow in place. Once all the glue is completely dry, you can use it as is, or you can take a magnet and just stick it on the back hinge of the rabbit and attach it to a metal surface. If you want to make a smaller rabbit, just use a mini clothespin. Please subscribe to my channel. There's new videos every week.